All right, got some news for you. Lights off. Just a minute ago, I had all this unplugged. So I finally pulled the filter out and I unplugged this. So when I plug this back in, watch your light comes on with this connector here. This is the fluid pressure sensor that reads what gear it is in hydraulically. That's this guy. This guy does not share power with pin L. Pin L is on a different page. It's right here and powers these solenoids. Where would the ground be coming from, you might ask? Well, somehow it's powering this directly, which goes to a hard case ground, which would easily power 9 amps because it would power 1,000 amps. So I'm going to put your old wiring harness in to verify that you guys didn't get some Amazon wiring harness and make everyone's life way worse with this. If this wiring harness is bad, definitely could be why it killed the TCM in this thing. But we'll go ahead and verify that and figure out what happens.